Hi guys, welcome back to Shabest Online Tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to look at partial derivative. On the board here, we are given this function f comma y, which is equal to 6x to power 2 plus x to power 4 y to power 3, then plus 4x to power 3 y to power 2. And we're asked to find the value of f sub x, and the second one is f sub y. If you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel and also follow me on Facebook, TikTok, at Shabest Online Tutorial. The question on the board, this is partial derivative, and this function contains only two variables, which is x and y. So number one, say f sub x. If you are differentiating with respect to x, we are going to keep y constant. Then in second question, f sub y, if we are differentiating with respect to y, we are going to keep x constant. So let's get started. Solution. So the function given from the question is f of x comma y, which is equal to 6x squared plus x to power 4 y cubed, then plus what? 4x cubed y squared. So the first one, we are asked to look for the value of f sub x, which is equal to, we're going to differentiate with this function with respect to x and keep y constant. So the first one is 6x squared. And before then, I want you to recall the power rule that says if you have x to power n, if you want to find the derivative of this function, it's going to be what? F of x at first derivative is going to be, using power rule, we are going to use this n to multiply by x, which is going to give us n x. Then you take away from the power, which is n minus 1. So this is what we are going to apply here, power rule. So the first one is 6x squared. If you apply this rule, we are going to use this 2 to multiply by 6. It's going to give us 12. Then x, then we take away 1 from the power. 2 minus 1 is going to give us 1, which is the same as 12x. Then plus, also, we are going to differentiate this x to power 4. 4 multiplied by 1, remember the coefficient of x here is 1. 4 to multiply by 1x is going to give us 4x. And if you take away 1 from the power, it's going to remain only 3. Then we are going to treat y as constant. We rewrite y to power 3. Then plus also 4x cubed. 3 multiplied by 4 is going to give us 12x. Then we take away 1 from the power, is going to be 2. Then we rewrite y to power 2. So this is f subscript x. We differentiate with respect to x, then we keep y constant. So let us look at number 2, which say we should find f sub y, which is the same as this same function. We are going to differentiate, but with respect to y, then we are going to keep x constant. So the first one is 6x squared, and we notice that there is no y here. And 6x squared, we are treating x as constant, 6 is constant, and the derivative of a constant is equal to 0. So the first one, since there is no y, is constant, and the derivative of a constant is equal to 0. Then plus, but there is y here. We are going to treat x as constant. We just will write x to power 4. Then we differentiate y cubed. So if the derivative of y cubed is the same as 3y to power 2, then plus, there is also y here. So we are going to keep 4x squared constant. Then we differentiate what? We differentiate y to power 2. So if you differentiate, we are going to have 2y. So now this is the same as 0 is nothing. We're going to cancel from there. Then x to power 4 multiplied by 3y squared is going to give us what? 3x to power 4 y to power 2. Then plus 4x squared multiplied by 2y is going to give us what? 8x squared y. So this is f subscript y of this function. So this is how to find the partial derivative of a function. If you are differentiating like this function, it includes variable x and y. If you are differentiating x, you keep y constant, and if you are differentiating y, you keep s as constant. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram at Shabest Online Tutorial. Thanks.